kept having worse symptoms. I had so much joint pain. I was still on a standard American diet. I started having chest pains. It hurt when I was breathing. So pleurisy, inflammation around the lung, or pericarditis, inflammation around my heart. I was feeling those symptoms, which is very common in autoimmune and especially lupus people. And I just felt horrible. Doctors were concerned how fast it was worsening and was talking about starting experimental drugs. I gained weight from all the steroids, and I was on another anti-cancer chemosuppressive medication, big guns. I was terrified. I was really depressed at this point. It was horrible. Nobody had told me about plant-based diets. Nobody said it was how I was living or what I was eating. So I started Googling just what could I do to help myself feel better. And thankfully, I came up with the plant-based diet and lifestyle. I jumped right in and never looked back. So as a physician, I was all about being strong and taking care of other people, right?